Paracas, a small port town full of beauty, was where I spent 2 days to slow down. It was here that I allowed myself to stop taking life too seriously, to truly live and have fun. We're just about to make some pisco sours, which I'm quite excited about actually.
For making a pisco sour, we need first of all pisco, lemon juice, zero.
Yeah, that's it. I think that's great.
How do you say cheers in Spanish? Salud. 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 A few hours later, I found myself on one of the most breathtaking sunset walks I've ever experienced. It's just so stunning. Our guide shared stories about the wolves that visit the cliffs and how the sand beneath us was once a part of the ocean. As the sun began to set, the golden light hits the cliffs, making the shadows shimmer and glow. There's something almost prophetic about this illusion, reminding me that light can always be found in the darkest places. I'm currently just trying to find somewhere where I can take myself out to eat. Dinner was really nice. I had a pizza. There was no cheese on it, so it was actually really good for having no cheese on it. But yeah, the vegetables and the sauce was really good. I was gonna go back today and be so sociable, but I feel like I have no energy today. My period's starting and just feeling like I've got stomach cramps is making me just want to crawl into bed and not speak to anyone. So I'm back at the hostel now, just in my little bunker. I'm just gonna take makeup off and yeah, have an early night. Hello guys, so we're currently in I think it's a motor car. It's one of the really cool electronic ones. We are on our way to do some kayaking, meet some flamingos. The rest of the day was spent exploring the town and relaxing by the pool. Later that evening, I went out for dinner and was in the mood to party.
Hello!
So we are just coming back from dinner. We had burgers, so good. And now we're just going to meeting some people back at the hostel, seeing what the party's like, and apparently there's Mexican night. And last night the music at this same club was incredible. They had old school reggaeton, and I remember being in bed, I was tired and I had cramps, but I was like, the music there is so good, should I go out? I need to pack, you know, for tomorrow morning.
Oh, yeah,
I've not packed at all, but I'm gonna do it in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
after a good night out, this is the best idea ever.
I know it's not a good idea, but I'm gonna do it. I have to. Okay, I know I said that I was going to pack tomorrow morning. However, the party's not a vibe yet, so I'm gonna pack now. Good morning everyone, it is currently 7 AM. I woke up at 6 AM. The party yesterday was so fun, it was so much fun, and then we went to a Mexican party, and the one at the hostel was a Latin party. Yeah, I'm just going down for breakfast now, and I've packed all of my stuff. I'm so grateful that I packed last night, because if I hadn't, this morning would have been so long. Yeah, I'm just a little bit tired, but I'm excited for the day, so the adrenaline's keeping me awake. So we're just on our way to the island. Sat at the back of the boat, so I actually don't know if you can hear anything I'm saying right now, but if you can. Oh, there's a dolphin! There's a dolphin! False alarm, it was a sea lion, not a dolphin. We're just going to some viewpoints in Paracas. So this is like where the cathedral is. I got so excited that I got off the bus and ran on the yellow sand, and it's not allowed. But the guy was really nice about it. He was like, that's okay. And a massive sign saying prohibito, and then there's me like running on the sand. But it just looks so nice. Like, I just wanted to like be on it, you know? I just feel so content. This rock here is called La Cathedral. Basically it used to be a church or like a cathedral on the water, but then they had an earthquake, I think. I can't remember how many years ago it was. They had an earthquake and that's why it's no longer there. Before leaving Paracas, we made a stop at Playa Roja, which translates to Red Beach. I don't think I've ever seen red sand until this day. It was incredible. Next, we're heading to the Nazca Lines and Huachina. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!